Gonna make some refrigerator pickles. Got some dill weed and pickling spice. Got some garlic powder since we ain't got garlic. And we got a shallot and some pickling vinegar, 5%. Okay, I got my cucumbers washed. I got this size. Take the top and the bottom off. Top and bottom. Now you can let them soak in cold ice water for an hour before you do this. Cut them like spears. Y'all cut y'all's any way you want, like this, or spears. Like spears. Ain't no rocket science to make refrigerator pickles. Try to make this like a day you pick them. Way your pickle stays crispier. Now to make them real crisp, if you got pickle crisp, you can buy you some of that and add it to your jars. These are just going in the refrigerator. Gonna be used for making relish and stuff, so it ain't gonna sit in there long. Make sure you got clean jars, clean lids, clean rings, clean hands. Y'all get the point. Okay, I'm gonna wash mine again. Add some bottled water. If you ever extra, you could keep it in the refrigerator until the next time you want pickles. I've got two 16.9-ounce bottles in here of water. I think it means 4 cups of water. Two cups of vinegar. 5%. 2 tablespoons of Canon salt. You always can taste this before you put it in your jars. If you need to add more, you like salt. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, you can always double that. I'm not going to. It's up to you what you're going to put in there for sugar. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of pickling spice. Now, you put this in a cheesecloth or anything and throw it in here. But I've always strained mine out. 2 tablespoons. Now we can always test it to see if it's strong enough for us after we boil it. That's what we're going to do right now. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dill wheat. 1 teaspoon. Got dill seeds, put that in there. Okay, now you don't have to do this, but I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon. And we're going to let this boil for at least 6 to 8 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm going to try to stuff my jars. Okay. I've got 1 teaspoon of mustard seed that I'm going to put in here to my mix. You don't have to do that, but you can add like to your jars if you want to. You can add your mustard seed and your garlic powder all in here if you wanted to. You don't have to add it like I did, but I did it. You can add your dill inside your jars too. But I'd rather it all cooked together, what I do. The way I can taste it and see what it tastes like before I put it in my jars. That's about all I can get in there. If you want to, you can add them clean up to right here. I'm all right. I added a shallot to mine. Y'all don't have to. Got my ring and my lid hot. Starting to boil now. We're going to wait 6 minutes now. I'll taste it. Mine, it needs 1 more tablespoon of pickling spice. Mine, the way I like it. You all don't have to do that. You just taste it before you add anything else. After the 6 minutes, please test it. That's how you like it. If it is, drain it out and stir it up. I don't like a lot of sugar in mine or salt. Oh, I'll have to dust that too. I'm gonna let this boil another 6 minutes since I added that in there. Okay, it's the way I want it now. And I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of dill weed in this, and 1 teaspoon of dill weed in this. Now you all don't have to. You can put it all in here if you want to. Like I said, test yours before you do anything. You might need more salt or sugar, anything. I can't control that for you. I just need you to know how I'm doing it. Okay, we're going to drain our stuff so we can get started putting it in our jars. That was my mama's recipe, so hope y'all like it. Kosher dill pickles. Okay, I got mine strained. Okay, while it's still hot, put it in our jars. Hurry it up as you go. I'll leave 1 inch headspace. I got an old peanut butter jar and a 32 ounce. Okay. Now we're going to test the headspace. First, we're going to take a stick and debubble. And it's going to be awful tight where you stuffed it in there now. Or stuff your pickles back down after you debubble. Okay, let's test the headspace. Gonna need some more. This one. Okay, that one's good. This one's good. Sell our way. Now we're gonna get our brains. Gonna wipe our rims, vinegar. I can hold on to it, we will. Okay, let's put our rings on. Put our lid on. Sure to tighten it down. I'm gonna turn them over. Let them sit for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna put them in the refrigerator. Okay, let's turn our jars back over. Be careful, they still might be hot. That one and that one, we're gonna put them in the refrigerator now. Got them. This is still ain't, but you don't have to worry about them sealing. This is sealed. Now wait at least 3 days to a week to open them up. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let me know how y'all like this recipe, or if you did it like I did. Bye.